Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Parrot Puzzler here on ABC Radio. I hope you've all had a good week. It's a little bit drier now than what it was last weekend. It's been a good week. All our Christmas decorations go up tomorrow at both the pubs. How exciting! I know it's early. We have to do it early. We've got Christmas parties booked. But yeah, my favourite time of the year. The tunes will be blasting out. Happy days. And probably no better way to kick off Christmas than with a brass band, right? So on the 27th of November, here at the Parrot, between 3 and 5, we've got a brass band here. They'll be blasting out the Christmas tunes in the outside inn. It's all very festive. Brilliant way to kick off Christmas. So I hope to see lots of you here. But anyway, you're here listening to the radio right now for the Parrot Puzzler. 20 questions. We do this every Sunday morning. Let's jump into it and see how well you get on. So question 1. The Manx cat from the Isle of Man is different to other cats. How? Question 2. What is the name of the fictional town that Australian soap Home and Away centres around? Question 3. What is the name of Simon Cowell's production company? Question 4. Which annual event happens in the postcode SW19? Question 5. In what year was the fire at Windsor Castle? Question 6. Which is longer, the Great Wall of China or the coastline of New Zealand? Question 7. Who was the composer of the ballet Swan Lake? Question 8. Annie Lennox was the lead singer of which group through the 80s and 90s? Question 9. What was the name of the island that the Thunderbirds came from? Question 10. In which county would you find the Jurassic Coast? Question 11. How many letters in the Greek alphabet? Question 12. What was the name of the cartoon character that chased after Roadrunner? Question 13. In cooking, what is MSG? Question 14. What is the name of the Chicago's NFL team? Question 15. In which city is the Golden Gate Bridge? Question 16. In what year did Channel 4 launch? Question 17. Which Formula One team does Lewis Hamilton drive for? Question 18. On the periodic table, what has the symbol Mg? Question 19. What colour wine is a Pinot Noir? And question 20. What flavour is a red velvet cake? That's your lot, guys. Should we find out how well you've done? Before we do, I'm just going to remind you to pop over to YouTube. Have a search for the Parrot Puzzler. You'll find our channel. There's tons of videos on there, lots of quizzes. Give us a like and a subscribe. It would be fantastic. But if you love your quizzes, that's the place to go. Let's find out these answers right now then. Question 1. The Manx cat from the Isle of Man is different to other cats. How? It has no tail. Question 2. What is the name of the fictional town that Australian soap Home and Away centres around? It's Summer Bay. Question 3. What is the name of Simon Cowell's production company? It's Psycho. I guess taking the first 2 letters of each of his names. Question 4. Which annual event happens in the postcode SW19? It is, of course, Wimbledon. Question 5. In what year was the fire at Windsor Castle? This was in 1992. Question 6. Which is longer, the Great Wall of China or the coastline of New Zealand? So it is the Great Wall of China, 21,000 miles, not miles, kilometers, sorry. Whereas the coastline of New Zealand is 15,000 kilometers. So yeah, quite a bit longer, the Great Wall of China. Question 7. Who was the composer of the ballet Swan Lake? It was Tchaikovsky. Question 8. Annie Lennox was the lead singer of which group through the 80s and 90s? It's the Eurythmics. Question 9. What was the name of the island that the Thunderbirds come from? Of course, Tracy Island. Question 10. In which county would you find the Jurassic Coast? It's in Dorset. Question 11. How many letters in the Greek alphabet? There are 24. And question 12. What was the name of the cartoon character that chased after Roadrunner Wile E. Coyote? Pretty unsuccessfully, if I remember. Question 13. In cooking, what is MSG? So it stands for monosodium glutamate. It's just like a flavor enhancer. Question 14. What is the name of the Chicago NFL team? They are the Chicago Bears. Question 15. In which city is the Golden Gate Bridge? It's in San Francisco. Question 16. In what year did Channel 4 launch? They're celebrating their 40th anniversary right now. So, of course, 1982. Question 17. Which Formula 1 team does Lewis Hamilton drive for? It's Mercedes. Question 18. On a periodic table, what has the symbol Mg? It is magnesium. Question 19. What colour wine is a Pinot Noir? And delicious it is too. It is a red wine. And question 20. What flavour is a red velvet cake? So despite its colour, it's actually chocolate flavour. And that's your 20 questions, guys. Thank you very much for listening. There will be a very brand new Parrot Puzzler live on YouTube tonight at 6 o'clock. If you don't want to go over there, you can listen to me here again next Sunday. Thanks, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Goodbye.